Welcome to Damo Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session, we are going to discuss first question in our next exercise. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation. So quadratic equations by factorization method. So first one, x square minus 3x minus 10 will be equal to 0. So we have to find the values of x. So x square, write like that only. 3x and minus 10 is there. So what numbers in order to addition or subtract, we will get 3x, and that same number should be multiplied in order to get the 10. So we can write like 5 2s are. So we are going to write here 5 into 2. 5 2s are 10. Then for this, minus is there. For that we need to write minus 5x plus 2x. So minus 5x plus 2x, then minus 3x. And 5 and 2, 5 2s are 10. So this one will be equal to 0. So for these two terms and these two terms. So x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 5 into 2. So let's going to take common of what is that here, x you can take common, x minus 5. Then here also you can take common of plus 2. So x minus 5, that will be equal to 0. Then x minus 5 you can take common, then here x is there, again here 2 is there, that will be equal to 0. Then x minus 5 will be equal to 0, or x plus 2 will be equal to 0. Then here x is 5 will be shifted to this one, then x is equals to 5, then x is equals to minus 2. So what are the equations, what are the roots of this one will be 5 and minus 2. These are the roots for the first one. Now let's going to check second one, that is 2x square plus x minus 6 will be equal to 0. So here 2x square is there. You can take 2x square right as it is, then 2x square, x is there and 6 is there. So we need to take x and 6. So we can take it as 4 plus 4, 3. So you can take it as plus 4x, then minus 3x, minus 6 will be equal to 0. Why I am writing here 3 and 4 and 3 only here is, in order to take common of 2 here from this and here also from this 2. So for that we are taking. So from these you can take common of, or either you can take common of another method I am going to show here. So what is this here? Let's going to check 2 and 2x is the common. So then here x plus 2. Then here minus 3 you can take common. So here also x plus 2 will be equal to 0. So for that we are taking 4 and 3. So 4 means 2 2s are. 6 means 3 2s are. So here minus 3 take common, x is there and 3 2s are 6, plus into minus minus 6. So x plus 2 into 2x minus 3 will be equal to 0. Then what you can take common? Either x plus 2 will be equal to 0 or 2x minus 3 will be equal to 0. The roots are x is equals to minus 2, then 2x will be equal to 3, then x is equals to 3 by 2. So these are the roots for this. You can go with the another method. So what is another method is, let's going to take second one only, 2x square plus x minus 6 will be equal to 0. Let's going to take common of 2. So what you can take, x square, 2 common, then x by 2 minus 2 3s are 6. So can you take like this or not? Yes. So x square plus x by 2 minus 3 will be equal to 0. Then what you can take common here? Then x square is there. X by 2, 1 by 2 should get. For that we need to write like 1 by 2 means x plus 2x. So if you take like this, then we will get it as, what you will get, plus 4x minus, so plus 4x, then minus 3x, what we will get, by 2, then 4x. So how we are written? So minus 3 by 2x plus 2x, then minus 3x, 2 2s are 4x by 2, then 4x minus 3x, 1x by 2. So we are getting this one. So this is the value minus 3. 3 you can write it in the format of 3 by 2 into 2, that will be equal to 0. So let's going to take common of from these two terms. So you can take common off from these two terms x. Then x if you take common, what we will get? X minus 3 by 2 plus from these two terms what you can take common? 2 you can take common. Then x minus 3 by 2 will be equal to 0. Then what is the value of this? So let's going to take what is the value for this x minus 3 by 2 into x plus 2, that will be equal to 0. Either x minus 3 by 2 will be equal to 0 or x plus 2 will be equal to 0. Then x is equals to 3 by 2, then x is equals to minus 2. Like this also we can find the solution. We can find the solutions like this also. Then our third one, what is that? So let's going to take third one. So here our third one is, what is that? Square root of 2x square plus 7x 5 root 2. So this is the equation. So let's going to write square root of 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2, that will be equal to 0. So here write square root of 2, square root 2x square as it is, 7x and 5. So you can write 5x plus 2x. Can you write like this or not? Why? Because here 5 is there, here 2 is there. That is the combinations. So plus 5 root 2, that will be equal to 0. So here what you can take common? So 2 root 2 square root of 2x square plus 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2. So make it as this 2 as a one combination. So let's going to take common of what you can take, square root of 2x square. You can write square root 2 into square root 2, square root of 2 whole square, both, then it will go to cancel. Plus for this also you can take common of nothing. You can take right as it is, 5x plus 5 root 2. Can you write like this? So square root of 2 into square root of 2, that is square root of 2 whole square, square will going to cancel, then answer is 2. For that we are writing like this. So square root of 2 square root of 2 going to cancel. Take common. So square root 2 x, you can take common of square root of x also. So x into square root of 2, then x plus square root 2 plus 5 you can take common, x plus root 2, square root 2, that will be equal to 0. Then square root 2x plus 5 into x plus root 2. Can you write like this or not? Yes, we can write it. That will be equal to 0. Either from the equation square root of 2x plus 5 will be equal to 0 or x plus 2 square root 2 will be equal to 0. Then square root 2x will be equal to minus 5. Then x is equals to minus 5 by square root 2. Then x is equals to minus root 2. So these are the solutions for the given equation, given quadratic equation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.